Alright, what's up guys? So today I just made $3,000 trading NASDAQ and all that before 9:30. Here, I'll show you a clip. So yeah, pretty easy day, pretty simple. So let's get into it. Today at 8:30 we had PPI, but it didn't affect us. But as we can see, we have a lot of volume. It is still early, it's 10 a.m. Yeah, so I am on a 100k combine, so I just need tomorrow to win again and I'll have the XFA right away, ready to make money. And yeah, I'm not gonna use Top Step X anymore, so that's that. And here, so yeah, let's get into the recap, I guess. So like always, we set up the lines, and yeah, if you guys didn't see the last video where I explain some improvement on the strategy that I made, definitely go check it out. And yeah, so with the improvement, every single day from Monday would have been a win. But yeah, so anyway, we set up the lines, and from there we look for any gap. On the 4 hour I didn't see any. Scale down to the 1 hour. 1 hour I seen this and this one, so this one, and we had this one right there. Then go on the 5 minute and adjust them. So that's one thing. So you go on the 5 minute and then you adjust the gaps so you get better entries and result. And you can use before the 9, you can see if it makes sense. So it does make sense right there. Even at PPI, so the news 8:30, let's say you were trading PPI for some reason, if you were to get in here, you could have a early entry. But as you can see by my arrows, I was in the trade from 9 and got out at 9:30. Now I could have aimed for more. As you can see, it went all the way down to Asia and London low and even previous days low, so that could have been a nice 7 RR. Okay, so let me just remove those lines. So now that we adjusted the gaps on the 5 minute, now I need more data to make sure, so I need more experience. But you can go on the 3 minute or stay on the 5 minute. Personally, I'm gonna go on the 3 minute for now, but everything works perfectly. You guys can go back test this week, and 1 hour 4 hour analysis, mark the lines, then for gaps on the 5 minute you adjust them. And yeah, now the only thing I would say is for previous days highs and low, don't take it as entry point, take it as take profit. Okay, so let's say you want to aim for the previous day's highs or low, aim for those, but don't take them as a entry point. Okay, anyway, so as you guys can see, we already got confirmation from there. We don't have any candles in between, and this is a gap. So by 9:03 I'm in, and I nearly got profit by 9:15, but price ended up coming back, which made sense. We're not even 9:30, I was still very early. And yeah, as you can see, 996, 99, all weeks rejection, so perfect entry. If you miss this trade, then I don't know how can you miss it, even on the 5 minute we got plenty. So 924 we came back. I didn't break even because I was sure the price is gonna come back once I see this, so I just left it there, and that was perfect. There's no need to break even if I'm just gonna re-enter anyway. From there, 930 profit, I was out. And yeah, very easy, very clean. And as you guys can see, it just kept dropping after that. So yeah, that was perfect. Setup worked perfectly. It's all free. So if you guys don't use it, then I don't know what to say. Um, yeah, and if you guys need any help in Telegram, I keep helping people. If you guys need help, just come. And yeah, I mean, if you guys are wondering why I do this, like why do I just give free sauce and the trades and like that? To be honest, it's not to like sell anything, or I just want to be more famous and popular on YouTube for my futures project that I want to do. So, and at the same time, I'm documenting my journey, so I have proof in the future, you know. So yeah, I mean, it's all there. Now, yeah, I mean, that's about it for today. There's nothing else to say. Like I said, if you guys want to go back test, you can go back test. Every single day would have been a win. Just remember. So here I can put this here. If you guys want to take a picture of this. On the 1 hour time frame, you mark previous days, Asia and London. Look for any gap on the higher time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour. On the 5 minute, you refine the gaps, just the gaps. On the 3 minute time frame, after 9, you look for any of your mark to get filled. Once filled and you reject, so once filled, you have the confirmation. Next candle, there you enter, you know. Pull back to your zone, yep. If let's say you break structure, you just wait for either to come back or same thing. You wait for a confirmation and you can enter. Aim for 1 to 2 or to the next zone. Yep. Now this needs more experience, so more live trading. Previous days highs and low, they're no entry, they're just for taking profit. But we need more experience, like I said, to see if we can actually use those zones as a entry point. Most important, those are for me, stick to my rules, and what is this? Stick to rules and set up to improve and scale up in trading. 1 trade per day. Me, it's 1 trade per day because I am risking a lot, so I can't just be taking more trades than that. If all done correctly, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's hopefully win tomorrow so we can have the XFA. I do need like 3,000. What is this? 24, 28. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.